And we're off! I'm heading up to Scotch Corner to meet Mr. Ruffles, John, of rough paddling fame, because we're going to Scotland. So we're going away for about 6 days, coming back on Friday, it's Saturday now. And I've got with me a few things to play with, so it's not just going to be about van camping and kayaking. I've got 2 remote control cars, one for me, one for John. I've got throwing axes, shepherd slings, whips, and there might be something else I can't remember. So yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun over these next few days. Oh, that's the other thing, I've got remote control boats too. So I'm just heading to our rendezvous at Scotch Corner at the moment. Something else I've also got with me is a DJI Neo, which is new, and I've got the motion one, the FPV one. Really looking forward to getting used to that. I've only done a couple of test flights at the moment, but hopefully I've got both drones with me, the Potentic Atom and the new Neo. Hopefully get some good footage and at least have a lot of fun. Scotch Corner services, just waiting for Swan Dodger. Go and get something to eat while I'm waiting. Hello sir, how are you doing?
Alright, see you?
Yeah. Right, we've dined. This is the Ruffles mobile. Look at that, he's got these nice decals on there. Oh, he's been fitting a camera. So we're off, we're heading up to Loch Ken. Makes a change having a van to follow rather than oldest friend's Volvo.
I am quite a fan of a pointless lane closure.
I know what you mean, it does seem kind of pointless. There's nothing going on. Spectacular views from this point on the A66. Oh yeah. We're on the M6 North, just heading towards Scottish border. As you can tell, it's starting to rain. Scotland! Scotland! Get your passports out.
Border control.
Provisions pit stop. Done.
All set, yeah.
Yeah, let's go. About 30 minutes left to tonight's destination.
Oh, bridge!
Bridge friend! Oh dear. Now entering Angry Parish. You know who you are. This is a quaint little place, it's very white.
It's all very picturesque, isn't it?
It is, especially with that white chapel on the hill.
Part of Scotland I always see as a bit of an extension to the Lake District, just less touristy.
Yeah, I love all these little crofters' cottages. Well, this is where we're planning on spending the night. So we're by Loch Ken. We were going to go out on the water possibly tomorrow, but we'll have to see what the wind situation's like, because while the rain is supposed to stop, the wind is supposed to be about 18 miles an hour. Now, I thought I won't bring a big waterproof coat, it's going to be fine, John said. Thankfully I do have Now, thankfully I do have the big poncho that's always in the back of the van, so that's why I thought I'm covered. But I can see why I wanted to come here, because look, there's this nice slipway and it looks like it might be just that. So this is a rail bridge. Is it used or disused? Disused rail bridge. John says this was a shingle beach the last time he was here, so the water levels are a bit higher at the moment, which is good for the water levels. You can see the bridge there. Quite a nice little spot actually, if it wasn't slashing it down. But at least, you know, we can always shelter under here. Look at that, all sheltered up. He brought this. It's an awning that he's actually, he bought it off eBay and he's fitted a slider to the top of his van and sewn in a slider into this kind of tarp unit, and now it fits over here. So we've tied it down at various points across the top of my van and around the side of my van, and we've got this nice little sheltered area, table out, beer, van set up ready for sleeping. Oh, look at that. I've never had so much space in here. Look at that, that's for emergencies. I've never had so much space. It's great. I'm quite looking forward to this. But hell, in the meantime, there's beer. Culinary delights time. So John's having, I don't know what the hell that is.
Pre-cooked burger.
Pre-cooked burger. No, that's dessert. But look at this. Tuna. Got a slab of tuna. Some carrot and swede mash. Ignore the 30% off. I've taken the 30% off that one. Some British purple sprouting broccoli. Pudding. Look at that. Dirty Biscoff. Look, we do. I don't know why I bought a banana. I bought Biscoff. Yeah, that's better, isn't it? We're cooking. Nice bit of tuna. Bit of mash. Bit of broccoli. Oh, it's getting there. Let's do a flip. So we can cook the other side. Oh, come off. It's come off in my hand. Oh, that's never happened before. There we go, we're back in. Oh, look at that. This is lazy cooking, isn't it? Crispy. It'd be nice, that, actually.
That looks a bit posh.
It does look posh, doesn't it?
Tell you what, that flipping green stuff, whatever it is, stinks.
Purple sprouting.
It fucking reeks, doesn't it?
Oh, broccoli, yeah.
You're going to be farting like a trooper all night.
Do you remember as kids romping through fields of broccoli? There we go, just flipped it again. Oh, that's looking really good. Let's have it. Look at that, I've gone proper posh tonight.
You want to light a candle?
Yeah, I look like I could do with a candle, don't I? Oh, lovely. Oh, if you've never had tuna steak, proper tuna steak, I don't mean tin tuna, my God, it's good. Completely different to that tinned crap.
It's almost meaty, isn't it?
It is meaty. Yeah, it's beautiful. I've forgotten how good it is, it's been years.
Till you saw the 30% off and you thought, that's going straight in my basket.
Don't mention the 30% off bit.
We all have a bargain.
Oh, it's so good. That was ruddy awful. So good, so good. Posh bin. Din 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 din. Sexy man by gaslight. Din 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 din. Copyright strike. So I'm in the van and settled down for the evening, and I've cleared out quite a lot of stuff this week before coming, and I've also finally got round to putting carpet on some of the panels which did have reflective stuff on before. There's a panel behind there that I haven't done yet, but that's just hidden. You can actually see some of that reflective stuff there, look. So yeah, I've insulated behind these panels. There's some loft insulation behind these, behind that, and behind that. And I have to say, it does feel quite a bit cozier. And yeah, as you can see, 15 degrees. It's not bad in here at the moment. The only heating I've got on is this little fire maple lantern, which isn't really spitting out much. It's like one candle. So we've had quite a good day today, really. We've just been sat talking crap in our respective vans, you know, outside. The tarp kind of blew in, so we kind of decided to call it a night. I've got a bit of a Jack Reacher to read tonight in bed, and then we're going to get up tomorrow, go to Castle Douglas. Although we've had a lot of rain today, it's not supposed to rain tomorrow, but it's supposed to be really quite windy. Probably won't get out on the water anywhere. It's supposed to be very windy tomorrow. We'll see. We're going to go to Castle Douglas, got a few bits of shopping stuff to do, John needs a plate. He's going to fix the light. His brake light's out, so we're going to sort that out. Maybe do a castle. Maybe do the skate park because I've got a couple of trucks with me. We're going to just have a bit of fun. That's what it's all about, right? All right, see you tomorrow for day 2. We're out. Yeah, I was right. As soon as you kind of get onto this bridge, the wind and half hit you. We set each other a bit of a challenge. We've got to buy something in B&M for a tenner. Now I've got to buy John something, John's going to buy me something, and it's something we've got to use on this trip. So John's just having a go with my FPV Neo.